together at Athens airport.
Correct.
It's unexpected. It's very funny actually, and yeah, that's one of them.
The airport scene in Athens. Nats, would you like to share some scenes na we look forward?
Sa Mykonos po, Santorini. Santorini po yung cliff diving.
Oo.
Kasi dun po, after po kasi mangyari nun, parang biglang magbabago si Iris. In a good way.
Oh
Parang
my
nagkakaroon siya ng
goodness.
realization na basta abangan niyo.
Ang bilis!
Yun po,
Agad?
Santorini, and then sa Mykonos. Basta sa Mykonos po yung pinakapasabog.
Nahihirapan sila kasi parang may
Oo,
may
kasi
story na
kwento na
spoiler,
muna.
Panoorin natin bukas, di ba? Ako, I have
Yun
not
po yung-
seen the whole episode yet. Later pa.
Yes.
Thank you!